Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will study the pupal and adult stages. The pupa is the unique insect form of the complete metamorphic insect, which is the transition period from larva to adult. The phenomenon of the larva shedding their last skin and becoming pupa is called pupation. The time between pupation and adult eclosion is the pupal stage. The morphology of nymphs varies with different species of complete metamorphic insects. They are usually divided into three categories: obtect pupa, coarctate pupa, and exarate pupa. The exarate pupa is also called the naked pupa. Antenna, legs, wings, etc. The appendages are separated and are not firmly attached to the body. Some of them are still movable. Obtect pupa, antenna, legs, and wings are attached to the pupa body and cannot move. Coarctate pupa. It is formed by the last molted skin of the larva, surrounded by a barrel-shaped shell, inside which is the coarctate pupa. The pupal state of flies. Insects in the pupal stage do not eat or move, and are vulnerable to enemies and adverse environmental conditions. Therefore, we can kill the pest by destroying the ecological conditions. The phenomenon of insects shedding their skin from nymphs or pupa to imagos is called eclosion. The time from eclosion to death of an imago is called the adult stage. Sexual dimorphism. Most male and female insects imago are similar in body shape and differ only in the first sexual characteristics, such as the external reproductive organ. However, some insects have females and males that differ not only in their reproductive organs, but also in their external morphology, sizes, body, shapes, colors, etc. They are often different. This phenomenon is called sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism is a widespread phenomenon in insects, such as black cutworm and other moths. Cycads, scale insects, etc. Male insects have wings, but female insects have not. Some insects have more than two different types of individuals in the same population, called polyphenism. Polyphenism is mainly manifested in differences in body structure, morphology, and coloration. For example, termites have a reproductive queen, a king, and winged reproductive ants, and non-reproductive ergates and dinergates in the same nest. There is only one pair of king and queen in the nest. They have a strict division of labor within the nest and live a eusocial life. The adult stage is the last in the development of insects and is the reproductive period for mating and laying eggs to reproduce. In crop pest control, imago should be killed before egg laying. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.